Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 8th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock. We are going to take a look at the stock from a technical analysis perspective. We are going to take a look at the price action, the indicators, the trend lines, and try to find patterns because stocks move in pattern. Try to identify the beginning of new patterns and new trends early so that we can try and profit from them. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, make your own decisions. So Tesla closed down today a little bit. It closed down 159, down 0.26%, closed at 603.54, and post-market, I'm not sure this is right. So basically, we almost had a fantastic day with Tesla because we opened pretty high. So the high of the day was 623. So basically, the stock opened right beneath our resistance at 624 that we have had for a while. We opened right at the resistance and then were pushed down. And then we are having a small wick at the bottom and no wick at the top. So this means that the stock went down during the day and then was pushed back up. So this is kind of indicating some kind of a upward power. Also, the low of today is higher than the low of yesterday, and the high of today is higher than the high of yesterday. So there's some push in the market. There's some push in the market. Let's look at the hour chart to see what we can gather. So yesterday we closed right here around 6:05. Then boom, first hour we opened up like this and then went down during the first hour, then went down during the second hour. And then we started consolidating and see we came and touched the support that we had drawn. So we touched the support and are slowly climbing our way back up. So we still have this resistance here that will be at approximately 608 if we keep the support. Let's hope that this support holds. If this support does not hold, well, the next support is going to be this support here. This support here, and we also have this support that's way lower at 560. So let's hope that we are not going there. But so far, there's no indication that we are going to cross support. If we look at the stochastic 57, MACD still bullish, and the DMI is still bullish. So I feel like there is still strength in the market. So let's go back to the daily chart. So looking at it from a daily perspective, so we broke out today this resistance that we have here, but then we closed underneath it. So this resistance still needs to be broken. And also 624 is already coming into play. So 624 and also this diagonal resistance are two things that need to go before we can go and retest this huge resistance that we have had for a while. So and the Tesla event is in 2 days, so it's going to be very interesting to see what happens after that and how people are going to interpret that, because there are facts, revenues, product plans, product roadmaps. These are pretty much facts, and there is the component of how will people react to these facts, and that is psychological. There's the facts that are facts, and there's the psychology, because people are buying stocks, institutions, blah blah blah, but basically it's people that are buying stocks. People are emotionals, they have values, they have thoughts, they have beliefs, And they have emotions, and there is a lot of emotions in the stock market. How many times have you been frustrated looking at a stock chart? Frustrated, or have you been mad at yourself? These are emotions. Okay, so my speech is done. Let's look at the indicators. So stochastic is not yet 50. We like it when it's above 50 because it shows some strength in the market. MACD is still crossed over bullish. The two lines are still negative, so slowly it's coming back up. DMI, the DMI is bearish. It's getting better a little bit. See, we have 26 for the red line and 19 for the green line. So we see them getting closer together a little bit. It's gonna take several days until they cross over, if ever, and it might coincide with the stock coming next to this, and then the resistance might come into play and bring this down. So these are all possibilities. We don't know. We just try to follow trends, and so far we are in this smaller uptrend, I would say, because we have this resistance here that is still in play, but we have a cap here that's we have a support here at the bottom, and we have a resistance here, so we are in an ascending triangle. So the triangle is still there, so we just need to be patient and see what Tesla does with that triangle. So with that said, thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting. I read all of your comments. We have a Discord server, we have a Patreon account if you want me to do a special private video just for you that won't show on YouTube for a stock that you would like me to analyze just for you. You can go into my Patreon account and I can do that for you. If not, I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.